Hey everyone, Coder Steve here. In this short tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can create a PHP file in case you don't know how to do that. It's pretty simple and I'll show you how to do it now. Not everyone knows how to do this, so this is really for a true beginner. So we'll go to my website, codetest.co.uk, and this is the public HTML folder, which is the main area of your website. You put everything in here. So we're gonna create a PHP file. This is just a text file that I have on my computer. I have created this in Notepad, so I'll upload that. So now this is how you create a PHP file. See, it says .text. Just right click, rename, save to website as PHP file .php, and now that one is actually a PHP file. If we click this and edit it, all it says in it at the moment is hello. If you notice, it all just comes out as black. You start your PHP file using a back arrow question mark followed by PHP. You end your PHP file by a question mark and a forward arrow, and you can write anything in here. So write hello, like this, echo hello, and save the website. Now if we type on the end of the URL /php file.php, you'll see something that looks like that. Hello. Pretty simple, quick little tutorial. Shows you how to create a PHP file. You can add to that, you can put HTML inside of that bit there, and then write hello again, like this, and it will echo it out underneath. So the HTML can actually reside inside the PHP. And for that little video, that's how you create your first PHP file. If you like my channel, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Any comments or questions, please comment below. If you need custom scripts or anything like that, please comment below and I can possibly do a tutorial on how to build them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.